Welcome to the Brightnitic. This is SpaceX SXM 7 mission. SpaceX just launched a powerful Sirius XM satellite into orbit and nailed a rocket landing. SpaceX launched a veteran Falcon 9 rockets on its 7th trip to space 2020 December 13 to carry a massive radio satellite into orbit for Sirius XM and then return to Earth. The two-stage Falcon 9 rocket blasted off at 12:30 p.m. EDT, 17:30 GMT, from Space Launch Complex 40 here at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, marking the company's 25th launch of the year. It carried the SXM-7 next-generation radio satellite into orbit for customer Sirius XM. Approximately 9 minutes later, the booster's first stage returned to Earth, landing on the SpaceX drone ship. Just read the instructions in the Atlantic Ocean. The launch occurred midway through a planned 2-hour window. It was originally slated for 11:22 a.m. EST. To await good weather conditions for both the launch and booster landing, SpaceX representatives said via Twitter. Thanks for watching Brightnitic, and I'll see you next time.